Hi there, this is Pete from Waylay, and in this video I'll provide you an introduction to the Waylay platform. I will first sign in to the application, and this will lead me to a dashboard. Waylay is a cloud-based platform that allows you to build logic and rules, and in order to do so we make use of a couple of concepts. The first one is the concept of sensors. You can think of sensors as a generalized form of input connectors. Waylay comes with a pre-built library of sensors which you can use. Similarly, we make use of a concept called activators. Activators are a kind of generalized form of output connectors and allow you to, based on the outcome or the result of your logic, to take action. Such action can, for example, be to write something in a database or to, for example, send an alert via SMS or email. Now, Waylay is an extendable platform, which means that you as a developer can also build your own sensors or create and use your own sensors, as well as create and use your own activators. Now, let's for a moment assume you have all the sensors and activators that you would like to use available. Then the next thing you would do is to design logic in a designer, which is a drag and drop editor, which allows you to build logical scenarios. As part of that designer, Waylay has also built-in functionality for debugging. So while you're designing your logic, you can at the same time debug it and verify that it behaves according to expectations. Once you're convinced that your logic behaves as desired, what you would typically do is save it as a generic template. A template is a generic form of logic where no runtime data have been associated yet. When you associate runtime data, you kind of instantiate a template in what we call a task. So the basic idea is that you write a template once and can then instantiate it multiple times. So that you, for example, if you're managing hundreds or thousands of devices and you want the same logic to run for all those devices, you would have one template and then a corresponding 100 or 1000 tasks. The complete Waylay platform is also exposed over REST, and we have a REST console in order to allow you to test that. Obviously, the platform also comes with documentation and examples on GitHub, and there is a user profile where you can manage your account settings and track your consumption. Now, in order to navigate the Waylay application, there are two ways to do that. First, you could use the different icons here on this landing page, or you could use this top-level menu. So Browse allows you to browse templates, browse sensors, or browse the activator library. Create allows you to create new templates through the designer, create new sensors, or create new activators. And you can also monitor all your running tasks to see whether they behave as expected. Finally, you have here access to your profile page, a way to send feedback or comments to the Waylay team, and obviously you can also sign out from the application. So this was a short introduction video where we reviewed the major concept of the Waylay applications. If some of this is still a little bit fuzzy or unclear, don't worry, because in subsequent videos we'll dive into more details in each of these building blocks.